हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, या एज्युकेशनल चॅनलवर तुमचे स्वागत. फ्रेंड्स, आज आपण बघणार आहोत फोर्स अँड प्रेशर या पाठावरचे प्रश्न उत्तरे जी खास मुद्देसूदपणे तुमच्यासाठी तयार केलेली आहेत. तर चला बघूया. फोर्स अँड प्रेशर, स्टँडर्ड 8, चॅप्टर 3. Can you recall textbook page number 14? What is a force? Force is a physical quantity. This physical quantity changes the state of rest or of uniform motion of a body in a straight line. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 15. Make a list of some more examples in which contact and non-contact forces are applied. Write the types of force. Examples of contact force: throwing ball with hand, muscular force; cutting of an apple with knife, frictional force. Examples of non-contact forces: small piece of paper attracted towards the comb, electrostatic force; coconut is falling from the coconut trees, gravitational force. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 17. It is easy to cut vegetables, fruits with a sharp knife. A blunt knife does not work here. Why does this happen? The less is the surface area, greater is the effect of the force. The cutting edge of sharp knife has less area related to that of blunt knife. For a given force, pressure is inversely proportional to the area. Hence, it is easy to cut fruits with a sharp knife rather than blunt knife. You must have seen a vegetable vendor carrying a basket on her head. She keeps a twisted piece of cloth on the head below the basket. How does it help? Keeping a cloth on head increases the area of surface on which the weight of the basket containing vegetables acts. Hence, the pressure produced by the weight is reduced and it becomes easier to carry the basket. We cannot stand at one place for a long time. How then can we sleep on a place for 8 and odd hours? When we stand at one place, our weight acts on relative small surface area and causes the tension on the muscles of our legs. So we can't stand at one place for long time. When we sleep, our weight acts on large surface area and causes to reduce tension. Therefore, we can sleep on place for 8 and odd hours. For skiing on ice, why are long flat skis used? The skis used to slide over snow are long and flat, so that the area is increased and hence the pressure is decreased. The greater the surface area, the less is the pressure produced. This makes it easier to slide over snow. Use your brain power. Textbook page number 19. At the sea level, the atmospheric pressure 101 into 10 raised to 3 Pascal is acting on a tabletop of size 1 meter square. Under such a heavy pressure, why doesn't tabletop crumble down? The air below the tabletop exerts pressure 101 into 10 raised to 3 Pascal on it in the upward direction. Hence, the tabletop doesn't crumble down. While pulling a bucket from a well, the bucket full of water is immersed fully in water, appears well less when it has been pulled out of water. Why? The buoyant force due to fluid is proportional to the density of the fluid. The density of water is greater than that of air. Therefore, the buoyant force acting on a bucket full of water while it is in water is much greater than that it is out of water, that is in air. Hence, it appears to weight less in the water than when it has been pulled out of water. Use your brain power. Textbook, page number 20. Explain the observations in the earlier experiment according to the Archimedes principle. When the stone tied to the rubber band is hanging in air, the magnitude of the buoyant force exerted by air on the stone is negligible as compared to that of the weight of the stone. As the stone is gradually lowered in water, elongation of the rubber band goes on decreasing. When the stone is completely immersed in water, the elongation of the rubber band is minimum. That is, the length of rubber band is minimum due to the buoyant force exerted by water. Archimedes principle. When an object is partially or fully immersed in a fluid, a force of buoyancy acts on it in the upward direction. This force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Exercises. Question 1. Write proper word in the blank space. A. The SI unit of force is fill in the blank. Options are dyne, Newton, joule. The SI unit of force is Newton. B. Air pressure on our body is equal to fill in the blank pressure. Options are atmospheric, sea bottom, space. Air pressure on our body is equal to atmospheric pressure. C. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquid of different fill in the blank is fill in the blank. Options are the same, density, different, area. For a given object, the buoyant force in liquid of different density is the same. D. The SI unit of pressure is fill in the blank. Options are Newton per meter cube, Newton per meter square, kilogram per meter square, Pascal per meter square. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Question number 2. Make a match. A group. 1. Fluid. 2. Blunt knife. 3. Sharp needle. 4. Relative density. 5. Hectopascal. B group. A. Atmospheric pressure. B. Higher pressure. C. Specific gravity. D. Lower pressure. E. Same pressure in all direction. Answer. 1. Fluid. E. Same pressure in all directions. 2. Blunt knife. D. Lower pressure. 3. Sharp needle. A. Higher pressure. 4. Relative density. C. Specific gravity. 5. Hectopascal. B. Atmospheric pressure. Question 3. Answer the following questions in brief. A. A plastic cube is released in water. Will it sink or come to the surface of water? Answer. It will come to the surface of water because its density is less than that of water. When it floats, the unbalanced force acting on it is zero. B. Why do the load-carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels? Answer. The greater the surface area, the less is the pressure produced. Load-carrying heavy vehicles have large number of wheels so that the load, weight, force is distributed over a large surface area of the wheels in contact with the road. Hence, the pressure decreases and the tires do not burst. C. How much pressure do we carry on our heads? Why don't we feel it? Answer. At sea level, the atmospheric pressure is about 101 into 10 raised to 3 Pascal. This is the pressure that we carry on our heads. Our body cavity are filled with air and arteries, veins are filled with blood. Their pressure balances the pressure due to atmosphere. Hence, we don't feel the atmospheric pressure. Question 4. Why does it happen? A. A ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. Answer. The density of fresh water is less than that of marine water. Hence, the buoyant force on a body in fresh water is less than that in marine water. Therefore, a ship dips to a larger depth in fresh water as compared to marine water. B. Fruits can easily be cut with a sharp knife. Answer. The less is the surface area, the greater is the effect of force. The cutting edge of sharp knife has less cross-sectional area relative to that of blunt knife. For a given force, the pressure is inversely proportional to the area of the surface on which the force acts. Hence, it is easy to cut vegetables, fruits with a sharp knife rather than with a blunt knife. C. The wall of a dam is broad at its base. Answer. The pressure at a point in a liquid is proportional to the height of liquid column above it. Hence, the pressure of water in a dam is much greater at the bottom than at the top. So, to withstand this high pressure, the wall of a dam is broad at its base. D. If a stationary bus suddenly speeds up, passengers are thrown in the backward direction. Answer. When passengers sit or stand in a stationary bus, they are in a state of rest. When the bus suddenly speeds up, the lower parts of their body in contact with the bus acquire the speed of the bus. The upper part of the body, however, continue to be in the state of rest due to inertia. Hence, they are thrown in the backward direction. Question 5. Complete the following table. 1. Answer using the formula. Density equal to mass upon volume. By putting the values in the formula, density equal to 350 kg upon 175 meter cube. Density equal to 2 kg per meter cube. Second, using the formula, density equal to mass upon volume. Mass equal to density into volume. Mass equal to 4 kg per meter cube into 190 meter cube. Mass equal to 760 kg. Table 2. Answer. 1. Using the formula, relative density equal to density of metal divided by density of water. Density of metal equal to relative density into density of water. By putting the values in the formula, density of metal equal to 5 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. 2. Using the formula, relative density equal to density of metal divided by density of water. By putting the values in the formula, relative density equal to 8.5 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube divided by 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Relative density equal to 8.5. Table 3. Answer. 1. Using the formula, pressure equal to weight upon area. Weight equal to pressure into area. By putting the values in the formula, weight equal to 20,000 Newton meter raised to minus 2 into 0.04 meter square. Therefore, weight equal to 800 Newton. 2. Using the formula, pressure equal to weight upon area. Pressure equal to 1500 Newton divided by 500 meter square. Therefore, pressure equal to 3 Newton meter raised to minus 2. Problem 6. The density of metal is 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Find the relative density of the metal. Solution. Given data. Density of the metal equal to 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Density of water equal to 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Relative density of metal equal to what? Formula. Relative density of substance equal to density of the substance divided by density of water. By putting the values in the formula, relative density of substance equal to 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube divided by 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Therefore, relative density of water equal to 10.8. Question 7. Volume of an object is 20 cm cube and the mass is 50 gram. Density of water is 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. Will the object float on water or sink in water? Solution. Given data. Volume of the object equal to 20 cm cube. Mass of the object equal to 50 gram. Density of water equal to 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. Density of the object equal to what? Formula. Density of the object equal to mass upon volume. By putting the values in the formula, density of the object equal to 50 gram upon 20 centimeter cube. Density of the object equal to 2.5 gram per centimeter cube. It is greater than the density of water. Hence, the object will sink in water. Question 8. The volume of a plastic covered steel box is 350 cm cube and the box has a mass 500 gram. Will the box float on water or sink in water? What will be the mass of water displaced by the box? Solution. Data. M equal to 500 gram, V equal to 350 cm cube. Density of the water equal to 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3. Density of the box equal to mass upon volume. By putting the values in the formula, density of the box equal to 500 gram upon 350 centimeter cube. Density of the box equal to 10 upon 7 gram per centimeter cube is equal to 1.428 gram per centimeter cube. It is greater than the density of water, hence the box will sink in water. The volume of water displaced by the box is equal to the volume of the box, equal to 350 centimeter cube. Now density of the water equal to mass upon volume. Therefore, mass equal to density into volume. Therefore, the mass of water displaced by the box is equal to 1 gram centimeter raised to minus 3 into 350 centimeter cube. Therefore, the mass of the water displaced by the box is equal to 350 gram.